Hi, welcome to latest vlog, and we're going to be talking about the comparisons between various travel mugs and bottles. So here we have the Chili's travel mug, we've got the Kinto travel mug, the Chili's mug, and then the Felon. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Chili's travel mug. It comes in three sizes: 350, 500 and 1000 milliliters. It's got a double wall design, vacuum sealed. It's got a lid with a hoop that makes it easy to carry. It's got antimicrobial design, and it also has a rubber base, so it makes it good for non-slip. It can keep cold drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot drinks warm for up to 12 hours. You can find these on the Chili's website or Amazon, and they're roughly £25. The next one we're going to talk about is the Kinto travel mug. You can buy this on the Kinto website. It's Japanese design, super sleek, super cool. It's got easy to open bottle, and it's relatively easy to wash. It comes in 350 milliliters, and you can buy these for £36. Like the other one, it's double walled, vacuum insulated, and it keeps drinks hot and cold for 6 hours. The next one we're going to talk about is the Chili's travel mug. It's 350 milliliters, just like the Kinto, and it's smaller than the Chili's travel bottle. It's got an easy to open screw top to pour items in and out, and it's got a zip entry here which you can easily open and close. It's got a rubber base and double walled, and it keeps hot drinks hot for up to 12 hours and cold drinks cold for up to 24 hours, just like that one. The last one we're going to talk about is the Fellow and Carter Everywhere mug. It comes in two sizes, 12 and 16 ounce. It's got an easy to open screw top, and it's easy to wash, double lined. Keeps drinks warm for up to 12 hours and cold drinks cold for up to 24 hours as well. It's made out of stainless steel, but it hasn't got a rubber base like the other ones. So now, ranking these travel mugs and bottles from the best to the worst that we've used. The first one was the Fellow Carter. We found this super easy to use, easy to open, easy to clean, and it maintains the taste of the coffee with this ceramic coating inside. And what's extra, it comes with this handy little travel pouch which you can put it in to prevent scratches and stuff. Second would be the Kinto. This very nice, unique Japanese design, easy to open, easy to use, and it keeps your coffee nice and hot. The third would be the Chili's Series 2. So just like the others, it's got a very good, easy to open, easy to clean design, keeps the drinks warm, and I like this little handle it's got here as well, which the other ones don't have. The worst one would probably be the Chili's travel mug, mainly because of the complexity in which to clean the item. So on the instructions itself, it says you need a coin and a knife to open this lid, which is not very practical and it's pretty difficult to do. But we do like the little zip entry, so it stops you spilling it when you're on the go. So if you found this useful, then check out the details down below, and don't forget to click and subscribe, and check out for more videos coming out.